Okay, so this is the diagram. They told you that this triangle was congruent to this triangle. Then they told you that this angle was congruent to that angle. They also told you that this angle was congruent to this angle. They told you that EC was congruent to FC because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. They also tell you that FA and FC are congruent, and their reason is that sides opposite congruent angles are congruent, meaning it's an isosceles triangle. So if these two angles are the same, we know these two sides are the same. So what else do we also know? Well, we know the same thing up here. So the missing reason is that AE is congruent to EC. Sorry. AE is congruent to EC. AE is congruent to EC. And it's that same reason again. Sides opposite of congruent angles are congruent. So these two sides, because they're opposite these angles, this is another isosceles triangle. And what you're trying to prove is that, let me pull up your problem again. You're trying to prove that AE is congruent to AF. And now we have done that. We knew that these two were congruent. We knew that these two were congruent. And we know that these two are congruent. So therefore, AE is congruent to AF. So that proves what we're trying to prove. AE is congruent to AF. Okay?